There are two different sorts of lapel pins that you can get. Ones with these long straight pins like this one, or ones that are just a single pin on the back. To get these little ones onto your lapel, you want to remove your back, find your buttonhole in your lapel, and you simply pop it through and pop you back on, like so. For ones with the long straight pin like this one, you want to remove your cap. Same, go through this buttonhole here, so it's through the lapel. You then want to bring it back through your lapel a little bit further down. Try and keep it nice and straight and flush with the edge of your lapel. Pop them all the way down like that, and pop your cap on the end, like so.